All right, so we got a celebration. All right, here's the celebration. Go ahead and light it up. We celebrate accomplishing the goals. So y'all might be looking at this like 150. Who's 150 years old? Nobody. But I will tell y'all, last time I did this, I don't think I recorded it, but last time I did this, it was did we do 80K? I think it was 80K. Then I think I did 100%. And now this 150K in a day. So we're going to celebrate it. Nice little red velvet cake with a little sprinkles on it. And this is what it is. So we got to get a nice little shot right here where everything started.
Cake.
You know? Show y'all real quick. Where everything started, you know? So we don't sing happy birthday. We just say happy 150K to you. Happy yearly salary in one day. Maybe 2 salaries, depending on, you know, what your profession is. Boy, get back before you get down.
Hi, you have... Go get it. Go.
But I'm not the best trader in the world or anything like that. I'm still learning. I'm still growing. But sometimes you got to celebrate. And this is the type of stuff that I like to do to celebrate, you know. So I'm going to make my wish with you guys. And got AC in the back. My wish is going to be... well, obviously being thankful and grateful for where I am. However, I'm also interested and ready for what the universe has for me on my journey of becoming the best version of myself for the people that love me. Because at the end of the day, if I'm not who I need to be when they need me, I'm going to be doing them a disservice. So with that being said, I also want to appreciate all of you guys for rocking with me over there on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat. And I know I don't really talk a lot about trading because I don't have any courses. I don't teach trading or anything like that. It's just something that I do to make income. You know, a lot of you might know me from network marketing days, affiliate marketing days, MCA, Wake Up Now, you know, Paycation, all of those fun companies.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
But you know, I'm not super rich or anything like that, but I have financial freedom. I can buy the things that I need with no issue. I don't really have to look at price tags if I don't want to. However, because I'm frugal, I do still. I want that discount. Anyway, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I'm glad that y'all was able to sit here and celebrate with me. Let's go ahead and blow out the candles. Ready? To more success, prosperity, support, health, love, and happiness. Let's get it. Boss for what? Holla. AUD, NZD, let's go.
If you're looking for a group of people going in the same direction you're going in, make sure you tap into the Boss for What community on Telegram, link in the description. If you want 100% trading credit on your first deposit, tight spreads, and same-day withdrawals, the link to the Forex Broker I trust is below. I love you. I appreciate you. Peace.
See, a lot of y'all don't know, but I actually used to work in a home healthcare space. $621 every 2 weeks. I had to live off $1,200. I know how to live off $1,200. So I struggled just like you. And if I could do it, I know you can do it too. Stop buying dumb stuff. Stop buying things to keep up with the Joneses. Invest in yourself mentally, physically, emotionally. Educate yourself. Get you a skill. Learn how to bring value to certain aspects of your life and people. And that's it. It's harder said than done, but it's possible. Look, I have nothing for sale. I just want to let you know that if I can do it, you can do it. In special ed, all through elementary, middle school, and high school. Flunked twice. I had all the excuses not to succeed, but I didn't use any of them. So I know if I can do it, you can do it. And if you need some help, just ask. We don't ask for help because we're weak. We ask for help to remain strong. So let's get it. Boss for what? Holla.
be the fastest in the world, but you ain't faster than no money counter. Fuck a tub, we taking money showers. Fuck a plug, hit up cuz we can cash it cause the money out. That's just for the ops. Green face, rolling monograph, anniversary, the praise coming box. Corona mask deli with the wop, had shots, fuck a
You don't get to eat lunch with your kid at school because you're at work. Well, let me tell you how. You can make money from your cell phone just by investing. And you're able to go grab some Chick-fil-A and come up here with your son or your daughter and just have lunch with them whenever you feel like it. Because you don't have to report to a boss. You don't have to ask for days off. You don't have to use any PTO days or whatever the case may be. You could just get up and go whenever you want. Well, that is what Forex has done for me. I'm able to get up whenever I feel like it, go grab me some Chick-fil-A, meet my son at his school, which is what I'm waiting on him to pull up right now. And we're able to just sit down and eat. I don't have to check my watch. I don't have to be back at any time. All I have to do is enjoy the present moment with my son. If that is something that you're interested in learning how to do or learning how I did it, DM me, make money, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Absolutely free. No course, no training, no none of that. I'm just gonna show you. It's up to you. Let's go.
The shutdown just put thousands of people in financial prison, working full-time, getting $0, bills still coming. Rent still due. If you had a second income stream that required zero effort from you while you're learning a skill, you'd still be getting paid right now. This is the wake-up call most people ignore until it's too late, until they're the ones working for free, until they're the ones scrambling. I made multiple six figures in under 24 months from Forex. My clients mirror every single move I make while they learn the skill. While you're at your job, your money works. And when their job stops paying them, their money still works. Then you take those profits and trade yourself when you're ready. They're not worried about missed paychecks. Because they have me, someone who is trading for himself and his family full-time to pay his bills. You don't get a second chance to prepare for the first time. This is your warning. Next time it could be your industry. DM FX, and I'll send you my blueprint. It's absolutely free. If you're looking for a group of people going in the same direction you're going in, make sure you tap into the Boss for What community on Telegram, link in the description. If you want 100% trading credit on your first deposit, tight spreads, and same-day withdrawals, the link to the Forex Broker I trust is below. I love you. I appreciate you. Peace.